Hello everyone. Yes, we're back to the coding part of the final project. So let's continue off where we left. Well, we were basically doing the train test but model. So let's go ahead and train our models. Like LR is going to be equal to logistic regression. So we're going to fit X train and Y train using logistic regression. And Y pred, we're going to make a new variable. Y pred is equal to lr dot predict X test. Now we're going to go ahead and print that logistic regression model. The accuracy score is so now we're gonna go metrics dot accuracy underscore score y test comma y pred multiplied by 100. What will this do? Well, here this will actually help us to calculate what the accuracy score is. And our logistic regression model accuracy score is 47. Now we're going to go ahead and train for the decision tree classifier. So DCS is equal to decision tree classifier and DCS.fit X train and Y train. We're going to create the same variable Y pred over here and DCS.predict X test. So now we're predicting the X test using decision tree classifier. Now we're going to go ahead and print that the decision tree classifier model accuracy score is. Now we're going to do the same calculation for what we did in logistic regression, and we will also multiply by 100. And as you can see, the decision tree classifier model accuracy score is 100. Pretty impressive, don't you think? Now RFC is the random forest classifier. So RFC.fit X train and Y train. We're commanding random forest classifier to train X train and Y train. So Y pred is going to be equal to RFC.predict X test. So we're saying random forest to predict the X test so we can get better results. Now we're going to go ahead and print that random forest classifier model accuracy score is. Yep, we're going to do the same calculation, multiply by 100, and the accuracy score is 88. That's actually pretty good. Now we're going to do something else, which is going to be the KNN neighbors classifier. So n is equal to 9. This is basically a variable that we will have to do. So KNN is equal to the K neighbors classifier n neighbors is going to be equal to n. So n neighbors is basically a variable right now and it's equal to 9. That's why we stored it in n. Now we're going to fit x train and y train. Knn yat is a variable for us to predict the x test. So knn yat is equal to knn dot predict x test. Now we're going to go ahead and print that this KNN classifier model accuracy score is. But yes, we're going to go ahead and do it. Metrics.accuracy score y test comma y pred multiply by 100. When we run this particular code, we will get 88 as well, just like random forest. If you scroll down, as you can see, there's one last piece of code that we will have to do. We are going to do the news prediction. So news is equal to clean underscore text news, and news is going to be equal to tf-idf transform news, and we're going to print model dot predict news. Then we're going to go ahead and return the prediction. And as you can see, among these models, which one do you think was the best? Of course, it's obvious, the decision tree classifier model, because it has a fully 100. And then next up comes the KNN neighbors classifier model because it has 88.4615, 461538 and so on. And basically this is also the same thing. So random forest and KNN classifier holds second position. While linear regression, Logistic regression holds the third place and it has 47% accuracy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this third part of this coding video to the end, and I will see you in my next one in my next level. So I'll see you till then, and bye and take care.